Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the world of convenience and cleanliness with the best cordless car vacuum. Say goodbye to traditional hassles and join us as we explore top-notch options for a spotless and hassle-free car interior. Let's make car cleaning a breeze. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a game changer for car enthusiasts. Automobile, this sleek powerhouse effortlessly banishes dust and crumbs, transforming your car into a spotless sanctuary. With its compact design and robust suction, it navigates every nook and cranny with ease. The cordless freedom ensures an unhindered cleaning experience, and the battery life is nothing short of impressive. Sleek, powerful, and tailored for cars, this Black Plus Decker gem is a must-have for anyone who takes pride in a pristine ride. Revolutionize your car cleaning routine and let this vacuum redefine convenience and efficiency. Number 2. VacLife Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This sleek powerhouse effortlessly tackles crumbs, dust, and pesky pet hair in your vehicle, leaving it spotless in minutes. With its compact design and powerful suction, this cordless wonder is a must-have for car enthusiasts. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the versatile attachments reach every nook and cranny. Say goodbye to clunky cords and hello to hassle-free cleaning. Elevate your car care routine with VacLife, where convenience meets excellence. Number 3. Beyond Vacuum Cleaner Cordless. This sleek powerhouse effortlessly tackles crumbs, pet hair, and dust, leaving your ride spotless in seconds. With its cordless design, you're free from the hassle of tangled wires. The compact yet mighty Beyond ensures every nook and cranny is pristine, giving your car that showroom shine. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning and hello to unmatched convenience. Elevate your car care routine with this must-have gadget. Beyond Vacuum Cleaner Cordless, where innovation meets automotive perfection. Number 4. Sackled Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a game changer for car cleaning. This sleek powerhouse effortlessly tackles crumbs, dirt, and pesky pet hair, ensuring your ride stays showroom ready. With its compact design and powerful suction, this cordless wonder is a must-have for every car owner. The convenience of no cords means you can reach every nook and cranny without hassle. The long-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Sackled has truly revolutionized on-the-go cleanliness, making your car interiors sparkle with minimal effort. Say goodbye to car mess headaches and hello to a spotless drive. Number 5. Blesson Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a game changer for car enthusiasts. This sleek powerhouse effortlessly banishes every crumb, dust, and pesky pet hair, turning your car interior into a spotless sanctuary. With its lightweight design and powerful suction, the Blesson ensures a hassle-free cleaning experience. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to maneuver effortlessly in every nook and cranny. Forget the hassle of tangled cords. This cordless wonder delivers unmatched convenience. Equipped with versatile attachments, it's not just a vacuum, it's your car's best friend. Unleash the power of Blesson and elevate your car cleaning routine to a whole new level. In conclusion, when it comes to the best cordless car vacuum, the product name stands out for its powerful suction, versatile attachments, and long-lasting battery life. Say goodbye to car messes with this efficient and convenient tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy cleaning!